magnitude and unsigned binary and signed binary. Okay, so here from our previous lecture, we are aware that we have completed some binary arithmetic. Okay, different kind of rules should be obeyed. Now, from here, our second section has been started. First chapter, second section. Second section will give us some introductory part and calculation about binary codes. We have already learned two kind of binary code. Which are those? One is octal, one is hexadecimal. These are the code. What is the use of this code? This code are used to represent binary series in compact form. So other than hexadecimal and octal, some more codes are available, okay, which can be used as per the application. So in this particular topic, we need to learn about different kind of codes. So let's start with introductory part. So here, some code is very much important to run or to activate some kind of hardware or some kind of application. Which kind of hardware? Maybe TV, in TV, different digital TV I'm talking about, different pattern to represent binary can be used, printer, or I can say that a traffic light control where different coding are used. Our data will be in binary, but representation is in different form. So which representation are available? So I can say that over here octal and hexadecimal. Already learned what is the use of octal and hexadecimal? They are the code which is used to represent binary number in compact form. Okay, so human being can easily deal with long binary series, okay, if it can be represented in compact form. But we know how binary can be converted to octal, how binary can be converted to hexa. Vice versa is also true. We know octal to binary and hexa to binary. Today we need to learn four more different code which are BCD, full form is binary coded decimal. We will see in detail what is this code. But right now full form is binary coded decimal. Name suggests this kind of code can be used to represent decimal number in binary. Only decimal number from 0 to 9 in bit pattern. Name suggests binary coded decimal means decimal. I'm talking here. The full form is binary coded decimal. One more code we need to learn, that is XS3, gray code and ASCII code. So that is our today's topic, and we will see that which detail is given. So with this four code should be learned. We will see this code one by one. So over here, let's start with our first code BCD, binary coded decimal. One by one, we will see each and every code in detail. So observe here what is happening. So here, one digit, that is, let's say 4, means right now it is continuously changing. So I can't take any one example, let's say 39. Okay, so what is happening here? So here LED are continuously on off. We will see design of this circuit in our second chapter, how this kind of circuit can be designed, okay, by means of BCD to 7 segment LED combinational circuit design. But right now we just need to have a look on brief on BCD. What is BCD? So right now what is happening? Let's say 1 1. So one is separately displayed and second one is separately displayed. So combination of LED are used here. Some group of LED are used, let's say over here, some group of LED are used over here. Okay, so I need to give some binary pattern to glow the LED on this circuit, and I need to give a different binary pattern to glow or to make LED on off to second circuit. So total 4 group of LED are arranged. How they are arranged, how they can be on and off, that will be covered in particular circuit second chapter. What means what is happening right now, that we need to observe. How it is happening, that we will see in its circuit. So right now 3 is displayed or 9 is displayed separately. So we need to have some code which can send a binary pattern to particular group of LED. Okay. So right now, suppose I am taking example a calculator. In calculator, what I need? I need to add something. Application, I am taking calculator. Let's say I want to add 12 plus 1. So which kind of pattern I will require? For 12, we know now decimal to binary. We know this thing, so now I should not explain it. By means of division method, we can get 1, 1, 0, 0. What is the binary pattern of 1? In 4-bit 0, 0, 0, 1. Whenever this 2 input will be given to calculator, then calculator will calculate it. Adder circuit will be there inside the calculator and we will be getting the answer. So here in calculator, application is to addition. So we are sending decimal to binary pattern. But let's say, what is happening here? Is addition happening here? No, addition is not happening here. We don't want 1100. Here, what is purpose? We want such kind of pattern that will make this LED either on and off. So if I will send, let's say I want to display 12 here. It is right now continuously changing, so I can't take any one example. But let's say I want to display 12 here. So what will be the binary pattern as per our decimal to binary 1100? So if I will send 1100 here, 1100 here, then nothing would be displayed. We need to send a binary pattern such that each group of LED will be on off separately. So I need to have code for 1. I need to have code for 2. Separate code. Okay, separate code for 1 because I want to display LED which represent 1. I want to display or on off the LED which represent 2. I don't want 12 because I don't want to do addition. So as per the application, a coding is different. I want to do addition, then I will require 1100. But application is different. If I want to display separate digit, then I need to have some different coding method, and that is called BCD. So here, BCD is what? Meaning of BCD, it is used to represent 0 to 9. Only it is used for decimal number. Second thing, it is 4-bit code, always. Binary, decimal to binary is not have any limitation. Okay, any bit can be there. But decimal to BCD, right now remember, you are having one more coding system. Decimal to BCD. Okay, so we will remember this thing. So whenever you will convert your decimal number to BCD, only 4 bit are there to represent our decimal number to BCD. This is the first rule that we will remember. What is the application of it? If I want to display separate digit, then separate group of LED should be on and off. So as per LED arrangement, I need to give separate code for separate digit. In this kind of application, wherever you will find a LED display, you can find it on traffic light control. Okay, whenever we are stopped, continuously separate digit are displayed. Let's say started by 60, 59, 58, 57. Likewise 0, 0. So what is happening there? One BCD to 7 segment coder circuit as well as counter. Okay, decrement counter or down counter. So BCD to 7 segment will display this digit. It will be displayed up to 1 second, let's say. And down counter will decrement the digit. Again, BCD to 7 segment will display this digit. So two kind of circuit are used in traffic light control. Down counter as well as BCD to 7 segment display. So here, this is weight is 8421. 8421. Although I have told you a short method to convert decimal to binary. But remember, it was short method. It is not official method. But if you want to calculate it fast, then I can use 8421. Okay. But here in BCD code, it is official method 8421 method. Okay. What is this and how we can use it? So here I will explain this line which is colored by blue after making one table. So I am going to highlight it that this line should be explained later. Now let's say here I am going to take one example. Decimal number is 40. So what is its BCD code? So here BCD code in which each and every digit are considered separately such that 4 bits are given to one digit. So 1 and it is 8421. So 10001 40100. Although the binary will be 1110. How binary can get? Using division method. Whenever you will take 14, take 14 and convert it into binary. You know this thing, but still everyone will take 14 and convert into binary. Which method will be used? Division method. What is this method? 14 will be divided by 2. Note remainder. Keep track of remainder and note remainder from bottom to top. Be fast. This side. So it will be 1110. Remember this thing, how we can get this pattern 1110 using division method. First chapter, first topic, decimal to binary. So using this method, we got this pattern. So this is 14 equivalent binary using division method. But right now it is not shown because our main topic is BCD. But for the comparison, this binary pattern is given. Everyone got 1110? Okay. But what is BCD? Each digit will be considered separately. So here 00010100. Now, so BCD stands for, I already told you, binary coded decimal. B, C and D are taken from there. It is 4-bit number, and let's say my next number is 4926. You need to convert it into BCD. What will be the BCD number? Each digit will be considered separately. It is highlighted here. And its BCD number will be 0100 0110. If you want to convert this 4926 into binary, then you need to divide this number by 2. Both the coding will be having final answer in series of bit 0 and 1. Is there any doubt? Difference between binary and BCD? Application are different. Whenever you want a separate digit, such kind of application where separate digits are displayed separately, at that time we need to send separate code for each and every digit. Let's say 4 code 0100. So this LED will be either on and off based on this pattern. 9 code will be sent separately. So at the displayed we can see 4926 to make LED on and off. One circuit behind it, we will see it later on. So here one table is given. Everyone will observe. First column give us decimal from 0 to 15. This is continued table here, but here space was not there. That's why this is the same column. Decimal 0, 7, 8 to 15. Second column is binary. How this column is made? Using division method. Okay, so 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. See, I already told you binary number is not fixed, that number of bit are fixed. But in BCD number, it is 4-bit code. What was the description of BCD? It is 4-bit code. Binary, as per requirement, we will use the number of bit. Here to represent 0 in binary, we will require only 1 bit. But in BCD is 4-bit code. So we will make 4, 0. Likewise, you will observe up to 9. Both the coding are same. Binary and BCD. Nothing is different. Binary and BCD. But after 9, you can observe the binary number which is equivalent to 10 is 1010. And what is the method of BCD? We will consider each digit separately and we will have a 4-bit code. So 410001, 400000. Likewise, last digit decimal 15. Its equivalent binary 1111. You can divide 15 by 2 and you can get this pattern. And BCD, 1 is considered separately and 5 is considered separately. I hope now you can understand 0101 will give us 5. 0101 will give us 5. Is there any doubt with this coding? Now here, what is your observation?
बाइनरी होगा उसमें वही बीसीडी होगा लेकिन जो आगे के जो लेटर्स होंगे वो जीरो हो जाएंगे
Okay.
एंड और आफ्टर 10
So here, what is the observation? This combination, although BCD is 4-bit code, BCD is 4-bit code. Can anyone tell me how many combination of 4-bit can be occurred? If 2-bit, let's say we are taking simple example. If 2-bit, then total combination of bit are 4. 00, 01, 10, 11. If 3-bit, then how many combination can occur? 8, 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. Total 8 combination can be occurred. Here BCD is 4-bit code. So actually how many combination can be occurred? 16, 2 raised to 4 means 16. Is there any doubt with this? If I am having 2-bit, then I can have 4 combinations, 0001, 10, 11. Either both bit can be 0, either 1 bit 0, 1 bit 1, either 1 bit 1 or second bit 0, either both the bit 1. So if 2-bit, then total 4 combination. If 3-bit, then total 8 combination. But BCD is 4-bit, then actual 16 combination can be done. How many combination I can do? 16. But you can see in BCD up to 9 combination are used. After combination of 4-bit, actually it will be 1010, but it is not used here. BCD is a coding used to indicate only 0 to 9 number. So 1010 to 1111 are not used. Although we can make this bit pattern, we can make the group, but in BCD, this group are not used. 1010, 1011 up to 1111. You can observe last column. Last column is 4-bit code. Total 16 combination of bit can be occurred. From this 16 combination, we are using only combination up to 9. Okay. After this, combination are not used to indicate BCD number because we are applying its fundamental separate digit and give its code. So in separate digit also, have you ever found 1010 anywhere? You can observe third column. Have you ever found 111 anywhere? 4111? It is not found. So observe third column for both the table, observe third column. So BCD code is 4-bit code. Actually total 16 combination can be occurred because it is 4-bit. So from the 16 combination, 6 combination cannot be used in BCD. That's why 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110, and 1111 are illegal combination in BCD. We will remember this thing because next chapter one topic is there which is called K-map, Karnoff map. where you need to make one mapping. At that time, you need to put a box number. At that time, you need to remember BCD is having this 6 box, will be don't care, will be illegal. But right now, we just remember. I hope you can understand the highlighted term, why these 6 combination are illegal. Is there any doubt the introductory part of BCD? Anyone? Is there any doubt? Okay. So here, I hope now you can make this table. If you will be asked in your exam, make binary and BCD table. So using this concept, we can add it. Our topic is same BCD, but under BCD concept, we are given BCD addition. So we already learned about binary addition. Okay. Second thing we need to learn about BCD addition. So it's very simple. We just need to see here. First rule, add two number. But remember this thing, our binary form, our bit pattern should be in BCD. In binary arithmetic or in binary addition, what was happened? Suppose you were told add 12 plus 1 in binary. So what is the difference between them both? Here in binary, you will convert 12 into binary, decimal to binary, and then you will apply addition rule. While in BCD addition, this 1 will be considered separately, 2 will be considered separately. You will give code according to BCD rule, and then you will start the addition. First rule, is there any doubt? So over here, your bit pattern should be in BCD form. This thing should be highlighted. Then you can start your addition. Okay. Once addition is done, then we need to check our result. Okay. Whether result is right or wrong. So we have seen for the introductory part that 6 combination are illegal. They are not allowed in BCD. So in the result, what happen if this 6 combination will occur? Then we need to correct our result. So check the result, analyze the result. If our result is less than or equal to 9 and carry is 0, then we should not correct it. We are going to take example of each and every case. Don't worry. Just look at here first of all the rule. If our result will be less than or equal to 9 and carry is 0, then correction is not required. But if our result is greater than 9, by means of this table, we can see greater than 9, actual bit combination are not used. Some code are illegal. So if our result is greater than 9, then correction is required because our answer should be verified by actual answer. So, and we need to correct them. How it will be correct them? Whatever illegal combination where we will add 0, 1, 1, 0. It is equivalent to 6 because 6 illegal combination are there. So over here, using this rule, let's take one example. You are told add 25 and 13 using BCD, not binary, using BCD. Please be attentive. You will be having some work to do. Okay, right now you just need to observe here. So what is the first rule? Convert. Okay, actual answer should be 38. We should get the answer. It is just for verification. We should do this calculation. So right now it is BCD addition. So don't convert 25 into binary. Convert 25 into BCD. So we know this rule. 2 BCD 0010 and 50101. Consider next digit 13, 1 and 3. So 10001 and 30011. Is there any doubt? First of all, the difference between BCD and binary addition. If binary addition, then 25 and 13 would be converted to binary using division method. Okay. Now addition rule is same for the both binary and BCD addition. 1, 1, it will be 0 and carry is forwarded. I already explained this thing. That's why I'm not explaining right now. I hope there isn't any doubt with this addition. Okay. Now what was the rule? Do the addition in BCD and analyze the result. Remember this thing, BCD is 4-bit code. So we will analyze 4-bit, group of 4-bit. Okay. So first of all, you will observe last 4-bit. What is this? 1000 is less than 9. So correction is not required. Carry is not generated. From this 4-bit, carry is not forwarded here. We will observe 4 bits simultaneously. So carry is not generated, group of bit less than 9. Correction is not required. Equivalent BCD code is 81000. What is this? 8. Is there any doubt how 8 is coming here? Okay. We will observe next 4 bit. So carry generated? No. Answer means this 4-bit is greater than 9 or less than 9? Less than 9. So correction is not required. What is 0011? So here answer is 38. Is there any doubt with rule and example? So now we need to take second example, which will give us the correction. Okay, no carry, no illegal code, so correction is not required. Second example, you are told do addition of this two number. What is the first rule? Okay, this is that should be the answer. I hope now it is understood easily. We have converted into BCD. Converted into BCD. Please check it once. If any doubt, you can ask. Let me check here. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask. Here, what will be the next step? We should do the addition. So here, observe the code. 1110. We have started from right hand side. 1110. So it is greater than 9. 1111 greater than 9. All combination greater than 9. And you can check here. It is not same as our actual answer. It is not 1216.4. Is it 4? No, it's not 4. Is it 6? No, it's not 6. Means some correction is required. Now, what is correction? We need to add 0110 wherever illegal code is there. So everywhere illegal code is there. Let's say sometime if you have, let's say in this code 0000, so don't add 6 there. We will observe 4-bit only. Wherever our code is greater than 9, at that place only we will add 6. But here all 4 group of bit are illegal. So we will add 0110. Do addition. Everyone will do addition from here. Write last two lines and give the answer and verify your result with 1216.4. Everyone is everything is animated. So I hope you can listen. Do addition fast. એવું હોવું જોઈએ. One to one pattern આવે છે.
Ma'am,
Yes.
What was the reason behind adding 0110?
Because in BCD, total 6 combination are illegal.
Okay, okay,
So that's why if we will add 6 to it, then we'll be getting the right answer.
okay.
Can you verify it? Have you added 0110 to each and every combination? I want to see whether you know binary addition or not. So 00011 11 0 carry will be forwarded to 1. 111 1 carry will be 1. I hope you know the addition. Once you will do the addition, here carry is written separately and added here. Same thing what we did in our previous lecture. So your first combination will be 0100. Are you getting this answer? Which is equivalent to 4. 0110. Are you getting this answer? If anyone is not getting, please let me know so I can understand whether you know binary addition or not. Are you getting 0110, which is equivalent to 6? 0001, 0010. Last is 0001. So ultimately, what it would be? 4. This will be 4. It will be 6. It will be 1. It will be 2. And it will be 1. Over here, actually, this is not required. You can directly add 0010. Carry is 1. 1 carry is 1. 10 carry is 1. In this manner, if you will do your addition, then it's okay. Final answer is this. Is there any doubt? BCD addition. Is it visible? Not visible. Write down. Add 57. Add 57. Don't look at here. I am going to tell you what you need to do. Add 57 to 26. Add 57 to 26. Both the number are in decimal. You need to do addition in BCD. Everyone will do it. 57 and 26. You can verify your answer by your own self. Are you getting the answer? You are not getting the answer. Still, it is not visible. It is visible. Please observe it. Still, who is not getting answer? See here, this example are given for your practice. Hmm. 1 1, then 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Carry should be forwarded. Addition rule will not be changed. You just need to check where 0110 should be added. I have not told you change addition rule. Addition rule should remain same. Whenever carry is generated, you should forward it. Okay, but you need to decide where tick should be added. So there are the rule. If carry is generated or our code is illegal, then we should add 6. Addition rule should remain same. Is there any doubt now? Okay. So some example are given for your practice. You can refer it whenever this PPT will be uploaded. Rule will remain same. Okay. So now next code. So here BCD introduction, how our number can be converted to BCD and BCD addition. Now next code is XS3. Sometime it will be indicate like this acronym. Okay, this is XS3 code. Now what is XS3 code actually? So let's start with the introduction. BCD code plus 3 will give us XS3 code. BCD plus 3 will give us XS3 code. Now what is the meaning of it? So let's say I am talking about 12. Okay, so 12 will be in binary 1 1 0 0. 12 will be in BCD 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 1 0. Now what is XS3? So first of all we will consider this BCD and we will add 3. 3 means 0 0 1 1 to each and every BCD code. So first of all we will convert it into BCD 1 0 0 0 1 2 0 0 1 0. Then we will add 3 to this BCD and whatever our final pattern, this is equivalent to XS3. Name suggests XS3 means addition of 3, extra 3. So this code as per name suggests BCD plus 3 will give us XS3 code. It is non-weighted code. Means let's say if I want to verify this 12. So I can verify if I will write here 8421. 8421. So I can verify it 0001 means this pattern is for 1. But you can't verify this XS3 by this 8421 weighted method. How? That we will see later on. But right now XS3 is non-weighted code. How it is non-weighted code? Once we will make the table at that time, I will tell you. But in exam, sometime you are told that, let's say MCQ, okay, or let's say 1 mark question or true or false. XS3 is weighted code, true or false. Okay, so here it will be false. But how? That we will see later on. It is self-complementing code. Now, to understand this, why XS3 is self-complementing, we will take one example. But right now, remember, it is self-complementing code. You need to remember BCD is weighted code. BCD is not self-complementing code. But XS3 is non-weighted and self-complementing code. What is the reason behind it? That I am going to explain you. This combination are illegal. Again, I will explain you how they are illegal. Reason is there for every line. But first of all, we will see 1 4, let's say. Okay. So first of all, it will be converted to now XS3. I hope it should not be explained now. BCD. 1 is considered separately, 4 is considered separately. Now XS3 means 1 plus 3. It will be equal to 4. 4 plus 3 will be equal to 7. XS3. So what is 7-bit pattern? 0, 1, 1, 1. What is 4-bit pattern? 1 plus 3 means 4. 0, 1, 0, 0. That's why this bit pattern are written here. For XS3, 1 will be represented by 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. And 4 will be represented by 0, 1, 1, 1. In XS3, it can be 1 over here. In BCD, 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. But in XS3, 1 is 0, 1, 0, 0. It can't be verified by its weight. This pattern can be verified by weight. 8421. Okay, 8421. So I can verify it is the 1-bit pattern because I will put 0, 0 everywhere and I will put 1 here. So I can verify this bit pattern is for 1. Let's say next bit pattern for 4. So what is bit pattern? 0, 1, 0, 0 in BCD. If I want to represent 4, how I will write it? 0, 1, 0, 0. So I can verify by means of its weight. Place of 8, 0 is there. Place of 2, place of 1, 0. Place of 4, I put 1. So I can verify this bit pattern by means of weight. 8421. That's why 8421 is weighted code. But you can't verify this bit pattern using this method. See, I'm going to write 0, 1, 1, 1. In XS3, it is 4. In XS3 code, this bit pattern is 4. Now verify using 8421. I cannot verify it because it will give us 7. But 7, it is based on BCD code. XS3 code, we can't verify by means of its weight. That's why it is non-weighted code. You can take any bit pattern in XS3. It can't be verified by its weight. That's why it is non-weighted code. Self-complementing, that we will see later on. Illegal code. First of all, is there any doubt how this XS code 0100 is written and 0111 is written? Both the code, one is for BCD, second is for XS3. Okay, now it's your work. Make 3 column. Make 3 column. 1 column, give heading decimal. First column, give the heading decimal. Second column, give the heading BCD. Third column, give the heading XS3. You will make the code now. All this column should be filled by you because we already learned so many tables. Now you should know how any table can be made. Up to 0 to 9. Yes, is there any doubt, anyone? 10, yes, Ria, your answer was right. Very good. 83, yes. Now what is your aim? You need to make one table. First column will be decimal, second column will be BCD, and third column will be XS3 code. Are you able to get this code from 0 to 9 only? Everyone will try it out. Then are you able to make this table now? Now every time you make this table. I will give you the reference, but now every time if you have done it, then you have XS3 again 4 bit code. How many total combinations can make? 16. combination are not there in the table. Just note this. I hope you can understand which combination. There could be one combination. So one is taken, 105, 11. Total four combination can make same concept from 4. How many combinations are not derived in third column? You can find this combination and note it down. Up to 9. Very good, guys. Other portion of the year. You have to finish. Another copy. So one plus is 11. And remainder. This is remainder. Correct. This is remainder. Plus 3. Plus 3 right? So now, total 16 combinations. You have to come and know it. I can have a four combination. Are you getting the point? How many combination are not used? Total 6 combination. Which are those? 0, 0, 1, 2. And then the combination from 13, 14 and 15. Okay, here I am going to end this meeting. Everyone will join the lecture for DS. Everyone will disconnect this meeting and will join DS.